Sup guys, see my custom Italian tile that I just got put down there? Don't mind my bicyclist BMX. Trying BMX around here, it doesn't really work out. What's this say? It says fuck the LAPD. Probably, I'm just taking a guess, but it's probably from a criminal that did that. Just thinking. They've probably been in jail as well. But that's just because I'm just over, thinking. That was probably like a lion right there. Oh well. But yeah, fuck the LAPD. You know what I say? I say fuck this forest battery. That's right. So we got these two. I think this is a 6S that didn't explode. I don't think it will. Got the 4S here that's definitely like warped. And I'm not going to store that at my house anytime soon. So yeah. What's the best thing right here, you know what I mean? I would say the heaviest thing is probably this. Got a rock. You know, let's just see what happens. I'm just gonna hammer it away. Push it over here. Look at this. This is like fireproof. It's just you just fucking keep on crashing and shit. Crash, 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 crash. Just fucking keep on crashing. Wow, pretty good battery so far. What is this? It's the pizza. It's a pizza battery. Oh wow, that was a pretty hard hit right there. This is like a full battery right here, so don't. Let's charge this up. And that was a hard hit right there too. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Now it has to explode now. Oh yeah, I think it will. The trick is you have to make it you have to actually get those things to puncture. It's fucked up. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna hit it with this. It's ridiculous. Oh boy. That's that kind of cheating, but okay. Whoops. Let's see. Here we go here. Yeah. Like that. Come on. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Oh, yeah. Burn, baby, burn. Cover that up. Uh-oh. Definitely going to hell now. If that other 6S battery will do anything if I puncture it. No cops. I don't care. Just kind of get that out there. Okay, let's see about this 6S battery. This is another freaking. Yeah. And that's it.